Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Today we're making homemade ricotta cheese from scratch. This cheese is so creamy and delicious, it's way better than anything you'll get in the store. Here we go. Okay, so we have to prepare our bowl to pour our curds and whey in when we're done. So you need a bowl with a strainer on it and 2 layers of cheesecloth. Okay, now you need 4 cups of milk. Now you can use regular whole milk, or you can use half and half, or you can use 35% cream, depending on the butterfat content of the milk. You will get more or less cheese. Now you want to add about 1 1/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, and then you're going to stir that in, and you're going to heat that on the stove on about medium high until the temperature reaches 195. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. Then you want to stir that for 3 to 4 seconds. Then you're going to let that sit untouched for 6 minutes exactly. Then you're going to carefully pour that into your bowl with the cheesecloth. You're going to let that drain for about 45 minutes. The longer you let it drain, the creamier the cheese will be. Alright, there you go, homemade ricotta cheese. It'll keep in the fridge for a few days, but you can use it just on toast or in lasagna or pretty much anything that uses cream cheese. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.